Yes, guys, we are back in 5 Nights at Baldi's. Let's just get into it already. Night 3! Oh my god! Be quiet! I just clicked the wrong night. Ugh. Right, can I get out? Wait, I can't get out of this. Wait, I can't get out of this. Alright, I just got out of the, once you hear go to sleep, leave the closet. You only have a short amount of time to react. It's okay. I'll close both doors. Alright guys, what I was about to say is I just closed the game and went back into it. Alright, where's my mouse? Yeah, it's such a touchpad, bro. Oh my god. Oh, it's this guy again. Yep. Yeah, what I'm gonna do. There, I didn't even hear him say anything. Alright. Yeah, I just have to do nothing, basically. Because, like, playtime spawns here in principle, and go to sleep, you're there. Alright. Oh, I knew it. Oh, there he is. Yeah, my mouse isn't working. Yep, I have to use my touchpad. I mean, like, I have to do touchscreen, basically. Oh, boy.
You should know better.
Why? Oh, you're in C3. So he's in the cafeteria. Let's save some power. Alright, where's Baldi now? Oh, he's over there. Okay. Why are you just like that? Alright, 1 a.m. I just want to save some power. Can I? Oh, I can just do. Oh, I can do space.
Play with someone.
No, space doesn't work. What the hell is that? Yeah, it was. Oh, space doesn't work. Wait, who was that? Was that play space?
No running in the halls.
What the hell? Okay, yeah, he's coming. Yep, he's coming. He's coming. Oh my god, he's coming. Alright guys, I'll see you guys at... Nah. After Baldi attacks, I'll see you guys there. Alright. Oh, okay! Alright guys, I'll see you guys there. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god. Alright guys, I know what go to sleep is now. He attacks at the left door. Alright guys, I'll see you guys at 4 a.m. again.
Detention.
Alright guys, it's 5 a.m. I was nearly AFK in 4 a.m. Oh my god. Where's Principal? Where is he? I was literally... Oh my god. I was literally nearly AFK at 4 a.m. Alright. Baldi's gonna attack now. Playtime's there, right? Yeah. Alright. Close the door!
Your parents will hear about this one.
Go to sleep attack. Yes. It's the left door. Come on. Come on, 5 a.m. I only have 3 bars left. Oh my god, come on. Oh, no. Baldi. Let's go. Come on. Wait, where's Principal? Oh, I see her. He's gonna attack. Bro, Playtime's the less aggressive one. I ain't go to sleep. It's mostly Principal and Baldi attacking. They're the most aggressive one. Oh my god. Look at my power! Oh, we did it. It wasn't actually that hard, but I literally only had 3 bars left and I was nearly out of power. Nearly out of power, I was out, guys. Oh my god. I'll skip this part. Alright. Let's do extreme. No, let's do extreme. And turn off sound cues. And let's do night 3. You can change the title screen soundtrack in the settings. Yeah, I know. Why did the glass just break? Is it gonna be that hard? Oh boy. Oh, come on. Get out of here. Get out.
Is it really night 3 already? Well, you've been doing a great job so far, and that's good. But, something happened earlier today. Remember how I said Baldy couldn't break in last night? Turns out we were wrong. Somehow, despite the front door being locked, Baldy managed to break into the schoolhouse and is now somewhere in there. It's dangerous and could seriously hurt you if he finds your office. If he shows up at your door, shut it immediately and do not take any chances. After Baldy broke in earlier today, and we had to evacuate almost everyone else in the schoolhouse, some students also reported seeing a yellow-looking character before they left.
Oh,
They could have just been
Golden
seeing
Baldy.
Baldy and mistook him for someone else, but the color doesn't match up. Anyways, I'm sure it's nothing to worry about. Be careful tonight, and I'll call you again tomorrow.
alright. I'll be careful. Oh! I have to watch out for Golden... Oh! I have to watch out for Go to Sleep. I just forgot. Where is he? Hurry up! Oh no. Where is he? Oh no. What the hell? He's effing. Oh, he's back, he's back. Oh no. Oh, Golden Baldy, I just saw him. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna do good. I think I'm gonna die on the power. And I'll see you guys at 3 AM. Alright guys, it's 3 AM and I think I'm doing good right now. I don't know, not sure. But I think I'm gonna die to power. I'm not sure. But I have to check for God to Sleep. He almost killed me because I wasn't checking the cameras. Because all I do is just, don't check the cameras and just close the doors when they're there. But I forgot God to Sleep. He's Foxy! Alright, come on. We can do this. Come on, go to sleep. Don't attack now! Why is it still 3 AM? Okay. Oh my god. Please go to sleep. Do not attack! I think the aggressive AIs are... The reaction times are much more aggressive. Well, the aggressive AIs are so high now, so yeah. Alright. Oh no. My mouse! My mouse! Alright. Good job, go to sleep. Good job. Okay, he's gone! He's gone, he's gone, he's gone. Alright, he's back. Where the hell is everyone? Where the hell is everyone? Oh my god. Come on. Come on, come on. Ah, no! Oh my god! How do you not get me? Guys, how did you not get me? How did you not get me? Well, where's Baldy? But I'm doing touch screen now. Oh my god, come on, come on, come on. This is actually kinda hard. I'll see you guys at 5 AM. Alright guys, it's been 20 minutes since it was 5 a.m. Not 20 minutes, 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Come on. Oh! Oh my god! No way! Oh my god! No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me, bro. No! Oh, I was just at 5 a.m. I was just at 5 a.m. bro. 5 a.m. Oh my god, bro. And then he just killed me. Gotta see, just killed me, bro. Oh my god, bro. 5 a.m. he just killed me. Oh my god. Alright guys, in the next one. My next video we'll be doing the custom night. The custom night, guys. And I think Arts and Crafters and Bully will be at night 4. But they're not here now. So yeah. Goes to come at 5 a.m. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.